Hello, I'm Cora. Today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Alpilean before you actually buy this product. After many people on social networks asked me about Alpilean, I decided to record this video and go deeper into the investigations. I asked doctors, experts, nutritionists, forums, and many people who are already taking Alpilean, so I have two very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Alpilean is, be careful with the website you will buy the product, because the Alpilean is only sold on the official website, and as I like to save money, I immediately to guarantee the discounts. And to help you, I left the discount link, the official website, here below in the description of this video for you to access safely. Now I'll explain what Alpilean. Alpilean is a weight loss dietary supplement that comes in the form of capsules that help to increase and maintain the inner body temperature within the normal range. The manufacturers of Alpilean have taken a different approach to helping people lose weight. They have come up with a solution to help reduce obesity in people by bringing back their internal body temperature within the normal required range. This feature of Alpilean makes it different from other weight loss supplements which work to just superficially reduce the fat, which eventually comes back with time. In order to lose and maintain a healthy weight, the core reason behind increased weight needs to be looked into. That is why Alpilean is efficient, as it allows the body to function effectively and increases the metabolism so as to put the body into a drive which makes it lose weight. The ingredients used in Alpilean are all backed by research that proves the efficacy of the product. Alpilean has a whopping 92,000 positive customer reviews on the official website. The customers have nothing but good things to say about this product, as it has been a life changer for them. The customers have beautiful and emotional stories to tell about how Alpilean has helped them truly love their bodies and feel good in their skin again. When it comes to customer reviews, they can tell you a lot about a product, so in Alpilean's case, it is certain that the product has many good things to offer to its customers. From the details gathered, Alpilean has many great features to offer. It is composed of 6 all-natural plant-based ingredients derived from the best sources. Moreover, it is non-GMO, has no toxins, stimulants, or habit-forming ingredients, is easy to use, and is manufactured in an FDA-approved facility following all GMP guidelines. All these features help us conclude that Alpilean is legit and worth buying. Alpilean is exclusively available on the official website only. Due to an increase in demand, it is being reported that third-party websites are trying to come up with an imitation of the original product. It is best to purchase Alpilean from the official website only to prevent getting scammed by these unauthorized sellers. The official website link is in the description below. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Alpilean, and you can have results too. Something very important is that Alpilean has a warranty, and you can actually test the product, and if for some reason you don't like it, they return your money. It is also important to know that Alpilean is totally natural and has no side effects. Just be careful on the site where you will buy so as not to end up harming your health with counterfeit products. To help you, I left here in the description of this video the official website of Alpilean, guaranteed for you access. My suggestion, if you like to save and in addition, do the complete treatment, is to take. I hope I helped you with that information. See you later.